Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to a Ramadan reminder from Taleem Institute. Ramadan is a blessed month, and one of the things that we look forward to in Ramadan is Iftar time. It's a time of happiness for the believers, as it comes in one of the narrations that for a Sa'im there's two farhatan, there's two times where he is happy, and one of them is mentioned that is Iftar time. During Iftar time, we should try our best to indulge ourselves in dua to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala as well. Ulama have mentioned that this is a time where your chances of your dua being accepted is high. So we should indulge ourselves in dua. There's a sunnah in which Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to make this specific dua in Iftar time. He would say, ذهب الظمأ وابتلت العروق وثبت الأجر إن شاء الله, which means that my thirst has been quenched. The thirst has been quenched. The veins have been recovered and they have become moist, and the reward has been established, insha'Allah. We should try to learn this dua as much as we can. Try to look for this dua wherever we can and learn it. And in that way we would have been made dua to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and act upon the sunnah of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam as well. So we'll get two benefits from doing one amal, insha'Allah. May Allah ta'ala give us the tawfiq to act upon the sunnah of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Ameen wa akhiru da'wana walhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Please don't forget to share, like and subscribe for more Ramadan reminders. Jazakumullahu khaira. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.